Well, that's the end of another video nearly, and we're going to talk about this EP3 that we have just tuned. Richard, what do you know?
Wow, it's made some power.
It certainly has made some power. I was impressed.
We're running 14 pounds of Hong Kong hot air.
Get in.
Apparently the turbo was £150. It was the cheapest turbo on eBay.
Rich, my turbo was 10 times more expensive than that.
Oh, I appreciate that, but it will last 10 times longer.
Okay, all right. As long as we've ironed that out, yeah, brilliant.
Admittedly, a budget build is a budget build. It's great.
There's pros and cons to all of it, isn't there?
It works. How long the turbo will last is another story.
Yeah.
But
it looks fantastic, pink, don't it? Love it.
It's used, in my opinion, a good setup. Used the sidewinder manifold, good 3-inch system, decent wastegate. Turbos are cheap, and the beauty of them is, when it blows, you'll swap it for the cheap
no
one,
problem.
away you go. But he spent the money where he's needed to spend the money is the point.
Yeah. It looks like a quality build to me.
I mean, pretty much the spec list for this car is stock k20 A2. It's got a cheap eBay GT35 turbo, which we know. We've got the sidewinder, we've got 3-inch downpipe with a 275 centre and rear section. Turbo Smart 40mm wastegate. Screamer to the floor. We've got a 4-port boost solenoid. What else have we got on here? It's got a Bosch air intake sensor, which gave us some problems today.
It did, yes.
Customers had to fly home and get a second one. And come back. We've got 2.5-inch pipework and a front mount intercooler to match that. We've got Speed Factory 4-bar map sensor. 255 fuel pump. EV14 1000cc injectors.
Same as mine then.
Yeah, and then stage 3 clutch.
Yeah.
So that's where this car, the mods list for this car. Done really well, made 420 brake. I'd be absolutely ecstatic with that.
Yeah.
Customers happy. Like I say, we had a little problem, a hiccup earlier with the idle air control. Air intake temp sensor.
Air intake at temp sensor.
Yeah, we had a problem with that earlier, which was stopping the VTC from working and gave us a few issues for a minute, to figure out what was going on.
Certainly stopped play, didn't it, for a little while?
Stopped play. Customer luckily had another one at home, so he's flew home and grabbed it, and we've able to finish the mapping session today, so that's nice.
Let's have a look at the graph. Well, check that out.
Yeah, real nice, smooth, linear power. 420 brake at 8,000 RPM and 277 foot-pounds at 73,000 RPM. So, really happy with that. 384 at the wheels.
Wheel horsepower, 384. Going to a different dial, that's a 500 brake horsepower car.
Very possibly.
Very possibly. But what a staggering result. Fantastic. Quite like to drive mine, Richard.
Maybe one day, mate.
Yeah.
Maybe I'll treat you for your birthday.
Oh, I'd love that, man. If you could fit my power steering column for my birthday, I'd really enjoy that. You've said...
I'll take that your birthday present.
What? I can't believe he said that. He's gonna do that for my birthday? Something's wrong with Mr. Ellis. We're gonna hold him to that, guys. He's gonna fix my car for my birthday. Fantastic. Right. Thanks for watching, guys. Thanks for sticking around to the end of the video. Like and subscribe and all that jazz. Look at this little beauty. And we'll see you on the next video. Hey, Rich! Rich! We'll see you on the next one, won't we? We will indeed.
Pretty fast.